Watch this video and learn how to draw the YouTube button. Yay!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to draw something today?
What we draw today?
Well, it's one of your favorite things.
Yeah.
It's the YouTube button.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Hey there, Betty.
Hello, Mikey.
Hey, little artists.
Hi, Betty and Mikey. Artie, are you ready? Are you ready to draw the YouTube button? Come on, let's get going.
Okay.
Firstly, we're going to draw a large triangle pointing to the right in the middle of the page. So for this, you do a line going up on the left, an angled line coming down, and an angled line going up. And that's a triangle. Now let's draw a curved line on the left side of that triangle. That's right. Leave a little gap and do a curved line along the top. Now do a curved line on the right, but leave a little gap at the top. Can you guess what's next? That's right, a curved line along the bottom, but leave a gap on either side. Now we're going to fill in those gaps with a little curved corner connecting the lines together. That's right, do each corner. How many corners are there, little artists? That's right, there's 4 corners.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you for that tip, Louis. Very helpful. Now, let's thicken up the lines. Sometimes it's a good idea to thicken up the lines that you've drawn and make them much darker and bolder. This makes the shape pop. Pop, pop. That's right, Artie. Pop. Finish thickening the line all the way around. Take your time. Make it look really nice. Oh, that's nice and bold, Artie.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Well, Mikey, we said at the beginning, it's the YouTube button. You know, you love YouTube. You watch it all the time. Anyway, come on, let's draw some eyes. Do a little black circle on the left and another one on the right. Now let's draw a bigger circle around that dot on the left. That's it, Artie. And let's do a really big circle around the dot on the right. Oh wow, that's going to be really big, Artie. That's going to look fantastic. Artie, after you've finished this drawing, should we go and watch some YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that then. Time for a couple of little eyebrows above the eyes. Just little black triangles. That's it, Artie. Very good. Now, why don't we thicken up those circles? Just like we did earlier. Just double the line and make it thick so that it pops. Pop. 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 Okay, Artie. Okay. We're not a bag of popcorn, are we? All right, let's finish the big eye. Just thicken up the line all the way around. Make it as neat as you can. That's looking really good, Artie. Joke break? Okay, let's have a joke break.
Hey folks, thanks for coming back to my set. It's nice of all of you to come and check out the show here at the Mikey Marker Comedy Club. All right, let's get started. What school supplies is the king of the classroom? The ruler. I know, that's a great one. Okay, here's another you'll like. What time would it be if Godzilla came to school? Time to run. Okay, that was a good one too. All right, here's one more before we go. Why did the egg get thrown out of class? Because he keeps telling yolks.
Do you get it, Artie? Keeps telling yolks. Well, I suppose it wasn't that funny. Okay, let's draw our YouTube button's hands. We start with a letter P shape, that's the thumb, and then do lots of little curves coming from that. They're the fingers. Do one more little finger. That's right. And then curl around to complete the hand. There we go. Do a little curve at the bottom, as if he's wearing a glove. And then, that's right, 2 lines for the arms. That's perfect, Artie. Now let's do the same on the left side. 1 finger. 2 fingers. 3 fingers. 4 fingers. 4 fingers and a thumb. Two little lines for the arm. Very good, Artie. What do you think, Mikey?
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
That's right, Betty. Artie is super creative. Let's draw 4 short lines. They'll be the legs. Let's draw some really big shoes. Join across the top. Oh, Artie's drawing a nice leather strap on top of the shoe. Very good, Artie. Let's do a nice thick sole on the bottom of the shoe. Let's shade it in so it looks like black rubber. Excellent. Now let's do the same for the right shoe. It's looking good, Artie. Don't forget to shade this one in black as well. It's looking pretty finished. Oh, I know. Let's do some socks. Just do 2 short lines up the leg, like he's wearing socks. You're finished? I agree. I think it's finished. Let's colour it in.
Hey kids, have a great day.
Goodbye, Mikey and Betty. Artie, you did such a good job drawing your YouTube button. Until next time, we'll say bye-bye.